Happy morning, students.
Happy morning, sir.
How are you all today?
Fine, sir.
Have you had your breakfast?
Yes, sir.
What did you have for breakfast?
Idli, sir.
With?
Chutney.
Idli with chutney. How many of you like idlis? Do you like idlis?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I do like. You should say, yes, I like.
Yes, I like.
Very good. I too like idlis because South Indian special is idli and sambar. Okay. How many of you like stories? You like story?
Yes, sir.
What type of story do you like? Action? Cartoon stories. Very good. What type of stories do you like?
Man vs. Wild.
Wildlife, man versus wildlife. Very good. Okay, you have listened to lots of stories. Today you are going to become a storyteller. Are you ready for that? Now I am going to start the story and you are going to finish the story. This is a famous story, but you are going to rewrite that as a storyteller. So once upon a time, there was a woodcutter. He was chopping a tree like this. Suddenly, his axe fell into the river. And next, you are going to continue the story, supporting with one sentence. Can you do that?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
think of what will happen next. Now the axe is inside the river. What will happen next? The axe fell into the river. What will happen next?
He searched the axe, but the axe is gone.
Okay, he searched for the axe and he could not find it. It's gone, she's telling. Next, what will happen? Who is going to tell? There is no axe, she's telling. Axe had gone. Okay, what's your sentence?
Then the woodcutter went to his house.
He came back to the house. Is her sentence. Very good. Next, what will he do coming back home? Will he be sad or happy?
Sad. But create new woodcutter.
Okay, you're trying to tell that he is going to create a new axe. Instead of worrying for the left out axe or fell down axe, he is going to do his own new axe, you're telling. Very good. It's a good twist in the story. Now then, after creation of the new axe, what will happen? Will he again go to that river bank and cut the trees, or what will happen? How is the axe now? And is he going to go to the same place? Any idea? Yes, tell.
That's not useful. That is broken.
Okay, the axe he created again broken because the previous one he might have brought from someone else or bought from someone else. That's very useful. He is trying to make a new one, but it is not useful to chop the branches. It has broken again. So what will happen next?
And again go to the river bank and woodcutter man jumped into the river.
Okay, again he went to the river bank where he was cutting trees and he also jumped into the river in search of the axe. Okay, you're the last one to finish the story. What will happen there after jumping into the river? You can tell your own view. Anything may happen in the river. Inside the river, anything can happen. You're telling he got the axe back from the river and he came out of the river. Was the end of the story. Wonderful story written by all 6 of you. I really appreciate the young budding story creators of this class. Very good. You can applaud yourself for this. Okay, can you do like this? Okay, can you do a butterfly clap like this? Do like this? Okay, well done.